Hannah, and today we're talking about tags. You're probably familiar with hashtags from things like Twitter and Instagram, but SparkLearn has tags too. Tags are not only a great way to search for content and follow your favorite topics, but they're a great way to get personalized content recommendations. Let's dive in and check it out. As I am browsing content, I can tap on an article that interests me. I think this subject is cool and want to find out more about it. I can do that by looking at the tags and tapping one to see all the other content with that tag. This is a topic that comes up a lot in my work, so I'm going to tap follow so that any new content with this tag is recommended to me. Now when I return to my dashboard, if I scroll down, I can see the tag under the following section. Another cool aspect of this is that if the content manager for my SparkLearn app has checked the notify users who follow this tag option, when creating content, any interested users will get an instant push notification that there is new content ready for them. As you can see, tags are a great way to customize your learning experience and find things that matter to you. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and ask any questions you have about the topic below and we'll be sure to get back to you. Bye!